Welcome back, everyone. It's hard to believe, but we've reached the end of our Hydroponics 101 series. Over the past few episodes, we've explored the ins and outs of hydroponic gardening, from understanding the different systems to avoiding common mistakes, and even a few personal experiments I'm trying out. Whether you're just getting started or you're already deep into your hydroponic journey, I hope you found this series helpful and inspiring. Hydroponics is such a versatile and rewarding way to grow your own food. And the best part is, there's always something new to learn and experiment with. Remember, the key to success in hydroponics is to start small, pay attention to your plants, and be willing to make adjustments along the way. Whether you're using a Kratky method on your windowsill, a tower garden in your living room, or a more advanced system like NFT or DWC, the possibilities are endless. I've learned so much through this journey. Whether it's been from YouTube, guidance from mentors, or extensive product research, there's a wealth of knowledge out there, and I'm committed to bringing you the best tips and advice that I've gathered along the way. As we wrap up this series, I want to remind you that hydroponics isn't just about growing food. It's about cultivating a healthier lifestyle, teaching the next generation about sustainability, and enjoying the satisfaction of harvesting fresh, homegrown produce. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you missed any episodes, you can catch up on my YouTube channel, other social media, or visit GardenGeekGrub.com for even more resources, tips, recipes, and product recommendations. If you have any lingering questions or want to share your own hydroponic experiences, leave a comment below.